Very good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are staying well at home. So, dear children, I hope my videos are helping you to understand the topic well. But still, if you face any difficulty, so you are free to make phone calls, you are free to send messages. I will help you to understand the topic well, okay? So, we were doing articles and it was almost completed. I gave you part D to do on your own. So, we will discuss that part first. Then I will show you two worksheet of to solve the articles, okay? So, first I am showing you the part that was given to you to do. This is D part, fill in the blanks with a, an or the, right? So first is, he is dash honest man. Honest, okay dear children, this is honest, not honest. H will be silent here, and I told you in articles a or an we have just to follow the sounds. Sound a, e, u, a, o. These sounds, okay, you have to follow these sounds. And here we are finding o sound, honest, okay. So we will use an here, right? I have dash 1-year-old boy. Now अब आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि a, e, I, o, u these are vowels, so we will use an here. No, again I am telling you have to follow the sound. This is O-N-E, one, not on. O is given, but this is not on, this is one, v, and v is a consonant sound, so you will use a. It takes me dash r, and r. I am watching dash cartoon film on TV. Cartoon, k sound, okay, a. Our neighbor has dash cat, a cat. I have brought dash interesting game for you. An, okay, an interesting games. Mother has dash terrible headache. Te consonant, a. Now earth, I told you the things which are only one you will use the before them, okay. So the earth moves round the sun, okay. We have begin with capital letter, but here you will use small one, the with capital and the with small. She gave dash bottle, a bottle of water to dash maid. देखो उसने वाटर बॉटल दी है, बट अ मेड नहीं, शी विल बॉटल टू हर मेड ओनली, अपनी मेड को बॉटल दी है, तो मेड इज स्पेशल वर्ड हेयर, वी विल यूज द, ओके. She gave a bottle of water to the maid. What is dash meaning of this word? It means someone is asking meaning of a particular word. किसी particular word का meaning is asked in this sentence, so we will use the meaning, not a meaning, okay. The meaning of this sentence, okay. So the meaning, right? So after this we will solve two worksheets, okay. Hope you will also try to find out the answer. We will do a quick session, okay. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate articles. First one is book. Book started with a consonant b. A book, apple, a. An apple, Bible, the Bible, owl, an owl, the sun. We can write the answers, okay. Wait. A book, an apple, the Bible. We are not able to write answer, we will do like this, okay. An owl, the sun, a car, a table, the Yamuna. Yamuna is the name of a river, the Yamuna. A cockroach, a house, an igloo, a dog, an umbrella, a hat, an ear. Right? Now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. An or the. I bought dash new dress. New. New started with consonant, so we will use a new dress. Ram helped dash old man in crossing dash road. So Ram helped an old man in crossing the road. Okay, he helped him while crossing a special road. Okay, कोई रोड थी वहाँ पर हेल्प किए हैं, तो इट इज़ we will use the here. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. I saw a dolphin show yesterday. The planets, because this is plural word, so we can't use a or an. We will use the planets revolve round the sun. Today a farmer will buy an ox and a cow. Ali is a doctor. The Ganga is a holy river. Don't let your children play in the rain. Rain is not a singular word. Okay. Ravi is an honest man. Okay. So this part is done, and this will given to you to do at home. So dear children, I think we should start chapter 11, ordinal numbers today. Okay. Do you know what is ordinal number? Chapter 11, ordinal numbers. Ordinal number is a word that tells us where a thing occurs in a sequence of things. हमें कोई चीज़ का sequence बताती है कि वो first है, second है, उसकी position क्या है. Okay. The word which tells us the position of a thing, which tells us a sequence of a thing, is called the ordinal number. In maths we have done this also previous year. Ordinal number हमने maths में भी किया था. When some kids were given in a picture और आपको show करना था कि वो रेस में first आए हैं कि second आए हैं. When you run race, okay, or when you are sitting in position first, second, third. Okay. So these are the ordinal numbers. So first one is match the following. Okay, you can do it easily. We will try. Fifth sound fifth. आपको पता है 5 से fifth. Okay, from 5 it will be fifth. Second, number 2 will make second. Ninth, number 9 will make ninth. 10th, number 10 will make 10th. Third, number 3 will make third. 8th, position 8 will tell us 8th. 7th. First, number 1. 4th, number 4th. And 6th, number 6. Okay. So you have to match the left side to right side. Fill in the blanks. Now you have to tell the position of a particular things which is given in the blanks. Like the orange is dash in the row. A row is given like apples and oranges are given, and you have asked to tell the position of an orange. Orange is on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write number. You can write this also, or you can write spelling FIFTH, fifth. Okay. So the bat is dash in the row. Bat कौन से नंबर पे है? 1, 2, 3. So bat is third. Okay. Bat is third in the row. Right. And number 3. The chair is dash in the row. Chair is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So the chair is fourth in the row. Okay, this chapter is quite easy. You can do easily on your own. So the next page I am giving you to do at home. This one, this is very simple. You have just to tell the position of the things which are asked in sentence. So do it on your own, and one worksheet, this one I am giving you to solve at home. Okay, you will try to do this. It will help you to make the understand it will help you to understand the topic well, articles. Okay, so dear children, bye bye for today. Take care of you. Have a good day.